Question number 7. So this figure is showing the top view of a U-turn at a rod divider. Okay, so sekarang ni kereta mau U-turn. The radius of the circular curve is 5.3 meters. So this is the circular curve. Like this is the circle lah. The radius is for 5.3. So R is equal to 5.3. A 950 kilogram car maintains a speed of 15.3 meter per second along point A to C. So the speed is 15.3 meter per second. Copy the path and indicate the directions of velocity at point B. Okay, so untuk point ni saja dia mau consider macam mana the direction of velocity at that point and acceleration. Okay, so remember circular motion is happening at a curve juga. Okay, so when you are curving ataupun when you are kau sedang U-turn at the road, you are actually applying circular motion. So for this case, for this point B, your velocity is gonna be going from this one, you go straight and then kau akan turun begini. So maksudnya velocity kita sekarang ni ke bawah. So the velocity is pointing down. Okay, next, the acceleration pula. Remember, acceleration is always perpendicular to the velocity. So, acceleration akan ke center. Okay, macam tu je. Very, very simple. So, kalau kena suruh hantar soalan ni, kamu lukis macam ni lah. Copy lah dulu the path. And then, this is, label this as your acceleration. Okay, alright. Next, you have to calculate the centripetal acceleration of the car at point B. Okay, so kita perlu calculate the centripetal acceleration. So centripetal acceleration is just V square over R lah. V kan ada given tadi, which is what, 15.3. So just 15.3 square over the radius. Radius is 5.3, which is this one here. Okay, so centripetal acceleration tu kamu akan dapat the value of 44 meter per second square. Okay, next we have to calculate the centripetal force on the car at point B. Okay, untuk soalan yang ni, what is happening at this point is actually, kalau lukis free body diagram dia, what is happening is we have the normal force and the weight, and then we have the friction, which is going towards the center of the circle. Okay, so ni adalah the free body diagram when a car is at a roundabout ka ataupun dia U-turn ka, sama aja dia punya free body diagram. Okay, dia punya direction of friction tu saja, dia di kiri ke atau kanan. Okay, sekarang ni ini adalah yang berlaku at point B. So we have to calculate this centripetal force. So the centripetal force is going to be equal to MAC. And then at this point, what centripetal force is present is just the static friction. And since it is pointing towards the center of the circle, it will be positive. So that is MAC lah. So the centripetal force is going to be equal to 950 times dengan 44. So dapatlah the centripetal force to be equal to 4.2 times 10 to the power 4 Newton. Okay, I feel like you should just write it as a FC lah di sini. Okay, yeah, itulah. Okay, ataupun kamu boleh declare di bawah FC is equal to FS, which is equal to berapa? Nampak lah, gitu je. Okay, so that is question C. Now question D, we have to determine the magnitude and direction of the frictional force on the car at point B. Magnitude kita sudah kira tadi. Oh, okay. So, kalau macam tu, question D yang kamu declare as... Okay, kejap ah. Untuk question C tadi, kamu tiap payah letak dia FFS. Kamu just consider it as FC. And then FCFS... Sorry. The frictional force is equal to the centripetal force, which is equal to 4.2 times 10 to the power 4 Newton. Okay, so the direction ni kamu just letak towards the center of the semicircle. Kenapa semicircle? Sebab yang At point B ni dia bukan fully circle, dia hanyalah semi, satu je circle. Okay. Alright, so that is the solution for question number 7.